Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the colorful search filter in TikToks. So I'll be showing you a few different ways you can get this effect. So the first one, we'll go to the effect gallery. Okay, now I'm in hot. Maybe you will be seeing different layout here. Maybe you will be seeing trending here. I am seeing this kind of layout because I am using TikTok Philippines. So here I have to go to fashion. Now here slide up and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and you got the effect. Just show your palm to change your shirt color. And if you are not getting this effect here in the effect gallery, then you can go to discover and you can search for colorful search filter. Now go to hashtags. Now tap on the first hashtag, colorful search filter. So for now, the only video here in this hashtag is from me. Tap on my video. Now at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page in TikTok. Now from here you can again add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen tap on the record button to use this effect. Okay, you got the effect. And still if you are not getting this effect, I have another way for you. You can go to this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon. Now tap on the record button and that's it, we got the effect. And still if you are not getting this effect, then probably this effect is not available in your region. So what you can do, you can use TikTok Philippines, you can use a VPN server and you can use TikTok Philippines to get this effect. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, see you in the next video.